Policijas iecirknis atrodas Limavādijā, Konelstrītā un Dungivenā, Mainstrītā. Jebkurā laikā varat droši sazināties ar policiju attiecībā uz jebkādiem juridiskiem jautājumiem, kas raisa jūsu bažas. Policija darīs visu, lai identificētu un ierosinātu lietu pret vainīgajiem noziegumos, kuru pamatā ir starpnacionālais naids.
We've seen a steady increase in the number of migrant workers in this borough over the last number of years. The initial influx would have been from Polish and Lithuanians, and more recently we've seen other countries represented. I think because we haven't had a sudden influx and we've been allowed to prepare for more people coming. We've done that in a number of ways within the police service, and we were able to put in place strategies for dealing with people from minority ethnic communities. We have a hate crime strategy specifically dealing with those sorts of issues. We have a minority liaison officer within Limavady district to deal with all issues relating to minority ethnic communities. Those sorts of things we've put in place over the last number of years. So we are quite well prepared, I think, to deal with issues involving people from ethnic communities.
Ja jūs grasaties lietot transporta līdzekli Ziemeļīrijā, jums ir jāpakļaujas vietējiem ceļu satiksmes noteikumiem. Ja neesat pārliecināts par kaut ko, kas attiecas uz ceļu satiksmes noteikumiem Ziemeļīrijā, vai arī jums ir jebkāds cits ar kriminālu pārkāpumu saistīts jautājums, sīkāk par to jums paskaidros vietējā policijas iecirknī. Ja nepārvaldāt angļu valodu, policija parūpēsies par tulku.
People coming to Northern Ireland must remember that their vehicle has to be roadworthy. It has to comply with our construction and use regulations within Northern Ireland. They also should remember that they need a valid driving licence. That may be the driving licence from their own country. However, if they stay in Northern Ireland for over 1 year, then they would be required to apply for a Northern Ireland driving licence. The vehicle they drive should also be MOT'd if it's bought in Northern Ireland and over 4 years old. They should also be insured to drive on the roads in Northern Ireland. That may be, again, through insurance in their own country, but is more likely to come through insuring their vehicle here in Northern Ireland locally. Other things I would like to point out, especially to people coming from completely different cultures, are our attitudes to drink driving on the roads and speeding on the roads. These are two issues which are very, very serious in Northern Ireland and cause a lot of road deaths. Speeding is an issue which is self-explanatory. People should take the speed limits not as a target but as an upper limit. The speed limit should be adhered to at all times, and also drink driving. I would encourage people not to drink and drive at all. That way there can be no discussion afterwards about how much you've had. If you don't drink and drive, then your ability to drive is not impaired. If you have one drink and drive, then your ability to drive is impaired.
Limavādijas rajonā ir vairāki ārstu kabineti un zobārstniecības prakses. Dzīvojot Ziemeļīrijā, jums ir jāpiereģistrējas pie ārsta un arī pie zobārsta. Tam ir nepieciešama medicīniskā kartiņa. Pieteikuma veidlapas medicīniskajām kartiņām ir pieejamas ārsta prakses vietās. Ārkārtas gadījumos zvaniet 999 vai 112, lai sazvanītu policiju, ātro palīdzību vai ugunsdzēsības dienestu. Tuvākā hospitāļa traumu un neatliekamo gadījumu nodaļa atrodas Altnagelvinā, Derijā. Rajonā ir milzīgi daudz iespēju sabiedriskajai dzīvei un atpūtai. Ja jums atpūtas iespēju sameklēšana sagādā grūtības, informācija ir pieejama domes telpās Konelstrītā, Limavādijā. Rajonā jūsu rīcībā ir vairāki atpūtas centri, sporta centri un publiskie parki. Vietējās sabiedriskās grupas organizē sabiedriskos pasākumus arī viestrādniekiem. Rajonā šie pasākumi notiek publiskajos bāros un visi ir laipni aicināti.
Irish are very friendly, very open and very helpful. So I haven't met anyone who would be rude for me since I'm here. Everybody is just great and I love the place.
I want to highlight this. The society has changed a lot. It hasn't been an easy process for both parties, but what I increasingly find is that society becomes more tolerant, less ignorant, and I suppose that's the way to go forward.
Informācija par šiem sabiedriskajiem pasākumiem ir pieejama gan Glenšeinas sabiedriskajā attīstības centrā, gan Limavādijas rajona pašpārvaldē. Lai kur jūs izlemtu apmesties uz dzīvi rajonā, pārliecinieties par to, ka esat veicis visus nepieciešamos pasākumus, lai dzīvotu un strādātu Ziemeļīrijā. Neatkarīgi no tā, vai esat šeit apmeties uz pastāvīgu dzīvi vai tikai pagaidām, jūs šeit iedzīvosieties veiksmīgi un jutīsieties gaidīts.